laughing. Ah! Oh shit. Okay, let's see this. I hope I don't get nightmares. Burger King.
Times Burger King's new cotton candy cloud slush. Behind the scenes of the cloud slushy.
Okay.
New cotton candy cloud slushy for the first time. I'm a cloud slushy, I'm a cloud slushy. I'm a cloud slushy, I'm a cloud slushy. I'm a cloud slushy, I'm a cloud slushy. Burger King's. I have a lot of food transformation videos. This is the Shamrock Shake. I'm Shamrock. Yeah, I'm Shamrock. Yeah. Put it in the shake. I'm Shamrock. One take. This is Sonic's peanut butter and burger sandwich. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Oh,
This is Sonic's peanut butter. Today I'm actually gonna be trying Five Guys. I like 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 Five Guys. This is Raising Kanye's, and I'm gonna be trying it for the first time. Check that out.
okay.
I love Raising Kanye's. I love Raising Kanye's. I love Raising Kanye's.
What the?
McDonald's Oreo Shamrock McFlurry is back. I'm an Oreo McFlurry. I'm an Oreo McFlurry. I'm an Oreo McFlurry. McDonald's Oreo Shamrock McFlurry is back. I'm an Oreo McFlurry. This is Sonic Solar Eclipse Blackout Shake. It's time for the Solar Eclipse. It's time for the Solar Eclipse. It's time for the Solar Eclipse. This. I'm the Easter Bunny, yes. This is Sonic Solar Eclipse Blackout Shake that they have now available, and you even get some glasses for the Solar Eclipse on April 28th. Let's go ahead and try this. Here we go. Interesting. Needs more research. It's time for the Solar Eclipse. It's time for the Solar Eclipse. This is how you transform into a strawberry Easter bunny. I'm a pink bunny. I'm a pink bunny. I'm a pink bunny. I'm a pink.
What?
Today I'm going to be trying a chocolate wabbit for Easter. Even though I don't believe in an Easter bunny, guys, I'm going to be trying a happy holiday for those who celebrate. So here we go. I'm the Easter bunny. I'm the Easter bunny. This is Raising Kanye's, and I'm going to be trying it for the and their toast.
Wait, what was that? What was that? What the heck is this? Oh shit! No. I am never doing this again.